Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing how to deactivate or permanently delete your Instagram account on Android. Whether you want to take a break from social media or eliminate your account altogether, the process is straightforward. We will walk you through the steps to ensure you can quickly and easily deactivate or delete your Instagram profile. Let's begin by discussing deactivating your account. Deactivating your account will temporarily remove your profile, photos, comments, likes, and followers from Instagram. Your profile and content will vanish until you reactivate your account, but your followers will remain unable to see your profile or any info during this time. To deactivate your Instagram account on Android, follow these steps. Open the Instagram app on your Android device and tap the person icon in the bottom right corner to view your profile. In the top right corner, tap the three horizontal lines to open the settings. Scroll down and tap Settings, then Security. Select Deactivate Account. Choose a reason for deactivating, such as taking a break or not using Instagram for a while. Enter your password to confirm, then tap Deactivate Account again. Your Instagram profile will now be deactivated. For permanent account deletion, this will remove your entire profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, followers, and profile permanently. There is no way to recover your deleted account or content. To delete your Instagram account on Android, open Instagram and view your profile. Then tap the three lines in Settings. Tap Settings, then Security. Select Delete your account. Choose I want to permanently delete my account as the reason. Enter your password to authorize, then tap Delete Account again. Your Instagram profile and all associated content information will now be permanently removed. In conclusion, whether you deactivate or delete your Instagram account, the process is simple and can be completed within minutes. Remember, deleting your account is permanent. There is no way to recover your profile or any content once deletion is complete. We hope this information was helpful. Please leave any questions or comments below. Like and subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone.